Good morning. So today we are starting with a new chapter in maths, that is factors and multiples. What are factors and what are multiples? Okay, this is the foremost question. And why there is a difference? What is the difference? Let's see that first. Now factors are the numbers. In those factors are the numbers which are you can say the tables in which the number I will be giving you will come. Okay, so you can say that number, that factor is the number by which the number given is completely divisible. Completely divisible means when I divide the number, I get remainder 0. So whenever I do division and I get the remainder as 0, then that divisor, okay, the divisor is called a factor. Also the quotient, that can also be a factor. Okay, so whenever I have division and get remainder 0, my quotient and the divisor both are called factors. इसका मतलब when I multiply both, I get the dividend. Okay, so dividend के quotient and divisor are factors. Okay, for example, if I suppose take a number 6, I want you to find the factors of 6. It means you have to find all those numbers in whose table I can get 6, or in other words, the numbers by which I divide this 6 and get remainder 0. Okay, so for 6, 1 will be the factor because 1 is a number in whose table every number comes, right? 1 ones are 1, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 hundreds are 100, 1 thousands are 1000. So 1 will be a permanent factor for all the numbers. सारे numbers 1 के table में आते ही हैं. That is why 1 will be a common factor. Then the number itself, that is 6. Every number will come in the table of itself, that is 6 ones are. So 1 and 6 both are factors of 6. Now I have to look for other numbers as well. So 1 is done, I will start with 2. Does 2 divide 6 completely? Yes, 2 3s are 6. So when I divide 6 by 2, I will get answer 3 and remainder 0. So 2 and 3 both are my factors. Okay. Now does it come in the table of 4? No. 5? No. 6? Last. So my factors are the numbers in whose table I get 6, or the factors are the numbers which can divide this number completely. Remainder will come 0. So after I divide this number by this, I get remainder 0. That is why these are called factors of 6. Okay. So the factors are limited. It will be limited number. Greatest will be itself and smallest will be always 1. Isn't it? So smallest factor for any number will be 1 and the greatest factor will be the number itself. Okay. If I see one more 9. 1, 9, then 2, no. It does not divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 9 does not count. So I will not write 2. 3, yes, 3 threes are. So 3 ones I have written, that is enough. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they don't have 9 in their table. So 1, 9 and 3 are the factors of 9. Highest one is itself and lowest one is 1. Okay, so in this way you have to find the numbers which will divide the given number completely, that is remainder is 0. Now these numbers are called as factors. Getting me? Now if I suppose I want to write the multiples, if I say write the multiples multiples of 6 and 9. First, let's say multiples of 6. What will be the multiples of 6? Now here, what is the meaning of multiple is? Multiply. So what you are going to do is, I am going to multiply 6 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 7. जितना मुझे बोलेंगे उतना. Okay? So 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So these are the first 10 multiples of 6. Multiples means multiply. So you start multiplying by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continuously you have to multiply and write that answer. This is called multiple and this is called factor. Factors are limited, multiples are unlimited. I can go on. है ना? 6 12, 6 11 are 6 12 are 6 13 are 6 hundreds are 6 100s are 101s are 6 102s are. I can continue. So multiples are unlimited but factors are limited. Okay? There are only few factors for every number. वो किसी किसी के ही टेबल में आएगा. That is why you will have very few factors for any given number. Okay? This is multiple, this is factor. So I hope you have understood. Now let's see exercise 4.1. In 4.1 they have given you question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. So what you have to do is, you have to write the factors. Let's take 1. You will solve the rest 3 for homework. Okay? I am doing 1. First one is, first sum, question number 1, 36. Okay? 36 is the number. I have to find the factors of this number. Factors जिनके टेबल में आएगा. Okay. So 1 and 36. Okay? 36 and 1 are the factors, permanent factors. Now start with 2. Now I will divide by 2 and see if I get 0 as remainder, then yes. If the remainder is not 0, then this is not a factor. Okay? So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Remainder 0 means this and this both are factor, 2 and 18. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? Now we will divide by 3. This same number. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again remainder 0, so this is factor, 3 and 12. Okay? Now 4. Divide by 4. So we are checking 1, 2, 3, 4 till 11 at least you should check. 4 8s are, 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So again remainder 0. So 4 and 9 are factors. Okay? Now 5. In 5's table, I don't have 36. It is 35. Then 6 table, yes, 6 6 are. So 6 again will be a factor. 7 table does not have 36. 8 table does not have 36. 9's table I have already written. So 10's table I will not get 36. So done. These are all the multiples of 36. Factors of 36. So if I divide 36 by 1, I will get remainder 0. If I divide 36 by 36, I will get remainder 0. If I divide by 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, 6, I will get remainder 0. That is why these are all the factors of 36. Okay. So from 1 to 10 or 11 at least you have to check in every table whether this number comes. Okay, all those numbers in whose table it comes, you will write those numbers. Okay. Second question. write the first 5 multiples. Now, as I told you, what are multiples? It is table, multiply table, okay, multiplication table. Number given is 8. So, you just have to write first 5. They have given first 5. So, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fives are 32, 8 6 are, 8 fives are 40. These are the first 5 multiples. 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are. Okay. These are called first 5 multiples of 8. Getting me? In multiples you write multiplication table. In factors you find out in whose number that number comes. Okay. In whose table that number comes. This is called as multiples and this is called as factor. Okay, so this is it for this exercise. Okay, so do solve the exercise remaining 3 sums and complete your notebook. Okay.